Hello, my name's Hanz Dismer. I use they, them pronouns, and I am a graduate from the Brown School of Social Work and Public Health in St. Louis, Missouri. I went to the Brown School for 2.5 years, from 2016 to 2018, where I studied social work and public health. And during that time, I had some really amazing opportunities and experiences being a student of Washington University in St. Louis specifically, but also being a student at the Brown School. During my time at the Brown School, I had wonderful classmates and wonderful professors who all really impacted me in some very profound ways. I was able to complete my practicum experiences at two healthcare facilities. I worked as a research assistant at Planned Parenthood of the St. Louis region and Southwest Missouri, and I worked at Hope Clinic, which is an independent abortion clinic in Granite City, Illinois. I was able to combine my love of violence prevention and outreach and response with my love of sexuality, education, and reproductive health rights and justice as a student at the Brown School. Being in St. Louis, I was proximate to 2 different abortion clinics for the majority of my time here. I work at Hope Clinic, where I completed my concentration practicum currently. I serve as Director of Psychosocial Services, and that means that I supervise a team of patient educators and social workers, meeting with every single person who is coming to us for an abortion from all across the country, and really applying a biopsychosocial approach to abortion care. I work in abortion care because I deeply value the human rights of bodily autonomy and self-determination, and I know that every person has dignity and worth and deserves access to safe, equitable health care. Working in abortion in 2024 is quite the wild ride as states around us continue to ban abortion services, but my experience as a student at the Brown School helped prepare me for some of the challenges that we're facing and helped me be able to advise the students and the other supervisees I instruct in order to make our practice as equitable and social justice oriented as possible. And it also allowed me wonderful connections to wonderful mentors that I had during my time at the Brown School. Dr. Susan Stieritz was my American Association of Sexuality. I cannot talk. Dr. Susan Stieritz was my supervisor for my sexuality education certification through the American Association of Sexuality Educators, Counselors, and Therapists. And I earned that certification shortly after graduation. I was also able to keep in touch with other professors, and during my time, Dr. Vincent Fluellen was very influential. Katie Von Delindy, I still keep in contact with her, and she has done some workshops for my supervisees on working with survivors of violence. And then Dr. Jessica Levy. Dr. Jessica Levy was also a really amazing professor that I had during my time at the Brown School. Because I went to the Brown School, I received training in management and leadership that I would not have received had I gone to a different school for social work or in public health. Because I went to the Brown School, I was able to follow my passions, even though my passions might be politically divisive working in abortion care. I was supported by faculty and staff throughout my time to pursue my interests. Without the Brown School, I truly don't believe I would be a leader in reproductive health and justice.